Hey, what's up guys? We're doing an iPad mini drop test. It has like this super glue residue on it. Long story what I was doing, but yeah, this iPad's cooked, it's iCloud locked, and yeah, let's do a drop test. It's gonna be 5 feet. It really shattered. Do it again. Cracked a little bit. Let me do something more interesting real quick. A 10-pound weight on his iPad and see what happens. Let's go. Ooh, man. I just want to see if the battery got bloated. Take a little lift right there. Let's try it one more time. Let's try the other side. Let's try right here. And 1, 2, 3. Let me try in slow-mo real quick. Video, hope you guys enjoy.